Discover LiveChat's new design, Archives. The current look of the app has been with us for a long time. But what used to work well may not be so great anymore. That's why we decided it was time for a redesign of both the Agent app and the chat widget. We wanted to come up with a design that is clean and easy to navigate, and at the same time allows us to add new features easily. This plan has finally come to fruition, and in this article, you can learn what has changed. If you want to try out the new design, go to how to switch to new design in the Agent app and how to switch to the new chat widget. What's new, and better, about the redesigned Archives section? The new design is easier to work with. Clear division between a list of archived chats, chat feed and details, makes you know what is what immediately. You can see all chats with a particular customer with one click. The old filters like agents, groups, tags, sales, etc. are still there. Now, you can set them to return results that meet one or more conditions. For example, all chats that were tagged with either support or sales tags. Last but not least, it is possible to sort chats by date. Hit https://lc.chat/66d4k and get yourself started with LiveChat.